Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to download the Windows 11 version 25H2 ISO file using the official method. Open your web browser and go to the Microsoft website for Windows 11 downloads. Look for the section called Create Windows 11 Installation Media. This is where you will download the media creation tool. Once the tool is downloaded, run it on your PC. You may be asked for administrative permission, which you should allow. Then click Next. Select your preferred language. Once the options are set, click Next again. The tool will then ask you whether you want to create a bootable USB drive or download the ISO file. Select the option to download the ISO file. Choose a location on your PC where you want to save the ISO. The download size is around 7 GB, so make sure you have enough space and a stable internet connection. Once the download is complete, you can either mount the ISO to perform an in-place upgrade or use a USB tool to create a bootable drive if you prefer a clean install. Thanks for watching.